Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Evangeline Ignacio, 36 years old. I'm married. I live here in the Philippines. I'm high school graduate. I have only one daughter, 18 years old. I have experience as a household worker here in the Philippines in 5 years. They are four members of the family, two parents and two kids. I do washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, and sometimes I'm cooking the food. Sir and Mom, if you hire me, I will do my best to all my responsibilities. And I'm honest and hardworking. Thank you.